Okay, so in this video we have SAT test number 2, section 3, which is a non-calculator section, and this is number 20, the last problem in this section. We have a system of equations above where A and B are constants, okay, and we're looking to find, it says if the system has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of A over B? So the ratio of A over B. So we have ax plus by equals 12 and 2x plus 8y equals to 60. Well, if we have infinitely many solutions, that means that the system is consistent, and it's also dependent. So we say consistent and dependent, and you don't really need to know that. What you need to know here is that these two lines are actually overlapping. The lines coincide. So the lines are actually identical. And when you have that, you have an infinite system, infinite many solutions. So if you have, for example, a line going like this with the same slope and same y-intercept, and then you have another line going like this right on top of it. And that's exactly what we have. And so this could be maybe the first line right here, and this could be the second line right there. And so we know that they will have the same slope and the same y-intercept. So if we look at these two lines, 12 is 1/5 of 60. So that means that A is 1/5 of 2. So that would be 2/5. And B is 1/5 of 8. So that would be 8/5. And so the ratio of A to B winds up being A is 2/5 and B is 8/5. So if we divide 2/5 divided by 8/5, the 5's cancel out, and you get 2 over 8, which is 1/4. So the ratio of A to B is 1 to 4. Okay, and the 1/4, because this is a gridded answer, you can write the answer as 0.25. So either way would be correct. You could write 1/4, or you could write 0.25, but you can't write both. Okay, so this is the final problem in this section, and as an added bonus, I want to give you a formula for finding slope of any linear equation that is in this form: ax plus by equal to c. Then the slope m is always going to be negative a over b. And so if we go back to the original problem, the slope on the second equation, where you have 2x plus 8y, that would be negative 2 over 8, which is a negative 1/4. And we'll call this m2, which is slope on the second equation. And the slope in the first equation would be negative a over b, so that would just be negative a over b. And if these two slopes are the same, because the system is consistent and independent, they will have the same slope, then we could say negative a over b is equal to negative 1/4, and that means that a over b is equal to 1/4. And I think this is going to be easier than trying to find out what is a, what is b, and then go back and divide a divided by b and do all the calculations. So this way you could tell right away that the slope, the ratio of a to b, is going to be 1 to 4, because we know that the slope is negative a over b. So this is a handy dandy formula to find slope for any line. And I think if you have any questions or comments on this video, please make sure to Leave some comments below. Also, if you like this video, in this type of video that gives you different insight or different explanation how to do these problems, maybe you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications on future videos that I'm planning to make. Once again, thanks for watching and have a great day.